New storm total rainfall this afternoon and evening may reach 2.5 inches. In many areas, it will take only an inch of rain 45 minutes to an hour to produce flooding. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
You are listening to NOAA's Hazard Radio.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a special marine warning for the Delaware Bay, including Slaughter Beach, Brandywine Shoreline, East Point, 14-foot bank riding Marmalade, until 3:30 p.m. At 1:59 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing strong winds 34 knots or greater over Slaughter Beach, moving northeast at 20 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near over 14-foot bank height and 3 nautical miles northwest of Brandywine Shoreline by 2:30 p.m., 5 nautical miles southeast of Marmalade by 2:35 p.m., 3 nautical miles southeast of East Point by 3:05 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck as possible, keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Here is the latest weather map discussion. A warm front moves through the tri-state area today, and this will be followed by a cold front of passage tonight. The combination of the two will lead to showers from time to time along with the chance of a thunderstorm. High temperatures should be close to normals in spite of plenty of cloud cover. High pressure built in for Saturday with partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies, and it will feel less muggy as well. Here is the forecast. Flash flood watch in effect from 4 p.m. this afternoon to midnight tonight. This afternoon, showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Patchy fog, some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall. Highs in the mid-70s. East winds around 5 miles per hour.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chester River to Kingstown, Maryland, to Castro River including Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island, Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until 3:30 p.m. At 1:56 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots from 12 nautical miles northwest of Havre, Delaware, Grace to Riviera Beach, moving east at 15 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chester River to Kingstown, Maryland. Water stops and develops suddenly and can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous waves. Seek safe harbor immediately. Wind gusts up at least 50 knots. Locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.
Visibility 1 nautical mile or less for Saturday. Northwest winds 10 to 15 knots.